Good day, listeners and viewers. On today's COVID-19 update, Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony assures parents that the Pfizer vaccine is safe for their children.
I think a lot of parents have taken the vaccine because we have quite a lot of persons in Guyana who've been vaccinated. So I wouldn't say that there are lots of people who are skeptical. Maybe there are some people who are skeptical, but certainly not a lot of them. Um, and I do think that parents would like their children to go back to school, and therefore they would be interested in making sure that their children get vaccinated. The vaccine, we do have vaccines that would be coming in soon. And as soon as we get those vaccines, we'd like to roll it out, especially to the school children. We have been working very hard to get Pfizer's vaccine here. And once those vaccines come in, our intention is to administer it to children between the ages of 12 to 18. It's quite safe because Pfizer would have done clinical trials for them to administer vaccines to children. And in the United States, they have administered these vaccines to millions of children, and they have not had any significant problems with the vaccine. So it's quite safe. Of course, like with every vaccine, we will have some side effects. The Ministry of Education has been circulating a letter to children who are in school, and in that letter the parent will have to give consent. So if they agree, then they really don't have to do anything. But if they disagree, then they would fill the form and send it back to the school so that they don't want their child to get the vaccine. And then the ministry will have to respect those wishes. So we'll see what happens. But so far, from my discussions with Minister Manitan, I understand that a lot of schools have sent out these letters. They're coming in back, and most of the parents have agreed. So what we are now trying to do is to see which school, how many children will be at that school to get the vaccine. So we are working all these things in advance to make sure that when we send our team to that school, they would have enough vaccines for the children who would be present and be able to receive them. It's going to be difficult for that child to come to school physically because everybody else will be vaccinated. So the Ministry of Education would have to work out what protocol that child would be able to continue education. But you also should know that there is a law that provides for children to be vaccinated. And if you're not vaccinated, then you can be denied entry into schools. So we do have a law like that, and hopefully we don't have to use it because it's common sense that you want your child to be immunized against this variant. As of today, we have 293,552 persons who would have received their first dose of the vaccine. And second dose vaccines, we have 151,851 persons who would have receive their second dose vaccine. Obviously, it doesn't prevent COVID-19. The way that COVID-19 is transmitted is usually if we inhale aerosols that contain the virus, or if we come in contact with droplets that contain the virus. And alcohol is not an antiviral drug, and therefore it wouldn't prevent.
That's it for today's COVID-19 update. For more information, visit health.gov.gy or dpi.gov.gy and our social media platforms.